Fix and flip loans or hard money loans are short-term loans typically used to buy real estate properties that need repairs. These loans will usually finance up to 75% of the after-repair value. The total amount financed includes the repair budget and most of the purchase price. Most hard money lenders will require that you put some money down toward the purchase price. Generally, the down payment requirement is 10 to 20% of the purchase price. However, some lenders may require less depending on many factors, such as credit scores, the investor's past experience and history, their net worth, the deal structure, as well as total cash on hand. Ultisky Real Estate Holdings LLC has partnered with the top hard money lenders in the US in order to provide you with the best loan options for your next rehab project. We will shop your loan request to find you the best fix and flip loan options from trusted leading partners with over $50 million to lend in your city. We can get you pre-qualified in short order and provide you with a loan commitment letter once you submit your documents for review within 24 hours and close within 7 to 10 days. Call us at 470-206-8816 or visit uriaholdings.com/hardmoneylenders or fill out our short online form to get pre-qualified.